Hello friends, I'm Chi. Today I'll be talking about revocation of documents. Certain reasons like overstaying out of Italy or Europe could cost you your document, according to the law, like you all know. You see, if your document is revoked because you overstayed, it's not the end. You don't just have to give up. What you have to do immediately is to look for a credible lawyer who concentrates on migrants, immigration, immigration lawyers, because there are different kind of lawyers. There are lawyers who concentrate on marriage, politics, industries, So you have to look for immigration lawyer. You can search online if you don't have anybody to direct you to one. Because if you meet a lawyer who is not, this area is not his line, he's not really going to help you much because he doesn't have idea of things concerning asylum laws. So look for one, ask friends. Those ones that have won cases for people, who have helped people to get documents in court. These are the kind of lawyers you have to go to help you fight out your documents. Now remember that you have to be bringing a credible reason, a strong reason why you overstayed. Like maybe it could be based on medical, or maybe your document was lost, or somebody took your document and took it before you found it. Time has passed. What am I saying? Like example, a guy traveled out of Europe and stayed for a year and 13 days. Because of that 13 days, his document was revoked when he came back. They said he overstayed, but what was the reason? His parents were seriously ill and they depend on him, for finance, for the medical treatment. So he has to travel and be with them throughout those periods. That was why he overstayed the 13 days, aside from the 1 year that he was allowed to stay away from Europe. So that was why the document was revoked. But with a good lawyer, he fought it out. Aside from that reason for medical, there are other reasons that a good lawyer who knows the asylum laws can apply also. So that is why you'll be needing a very good one who knows more about the asylum laws. So basically that is it. Okay, so there are other reasons, like I said before. If you have document now, for example, you have carta, you can only stay away from Italy for 6 months. That is within Europe. For example, you have carta and you're working in Germany. It is only 6 months. Within 6 months, you should come back, please, so that they will not say that you overstayed. Then, if you have the normal document like asilo, subsidiary, CASI, it's just 3 months. Like you travel to France, Spain, all these places, just 3 months you have to stay and come back. Okay. Then, if you are leaving Europe, it's 1 year. But I always advise, don't even wait up to that 1 year. Please just do like 6 months and come back, okay? You never can tell. So that is basically it. Another thing is that, please, do not wait for your document to just expire, even after 2 months, or by 1 month or 3 months before you go put it for renewal. It's not good. You are sending a signal that you overstayed somewhere. That was why you couldn't come in time. You have to put your document in renewal even 2 months before then, or 1 month before then, as the case may be. Okay. Another thing again, try to know your documents. You see, all documents are not just the same. Documents are different. It could be political, but has differences. It could be subsidiary, but have some differences. So this is why you have to go to the immigration to ask them questions about your document. What you can do and what you cannot do with it, okay? So that you don't just travel and see yourself trapped or into trouble, or they revoke your document, okay? So I am Chi. This is just what I want to talk about. All right, I know it will help somebody listening. Just like my video as a way to show me love. All right, okay, try to share to your friends, okay, so that they can learn. All right, so that they don't make mistakes, okay, that others have made in the past. Write your comment, tell me what you think, your ideas too. All right, subscribe, because here you'll be getting some of these tips anytime, any day. Remember to ring the bell. Ciao.